Claude Code is not a chat wrapper. It is a plugin-style architecture where every capability is a discrete, permission-gated tool. Bash tool runs shell commands. Filer tool reads files. Filerwriter tool writes files. WebSerg tool searches the web. Each tool is an independent module with its own permissions, its own execution logic, and its own audit trail. This plugin pattern is now the confirmed standard for production iAgents. One of the most discussed discoveries is how Claude Code handles long-running sessions. iAgents tend to become confused as conversations grow long. Context fills up, old information gets pushed out. The leaked code reveals a 3-layer memory architecture. Layer 1 is memringed, a lightweight index of pointers. Layer 2 is topic files, actual project knowledge fetched on demand. Layer 3 is raw transcripts that are never fully reread, only searched with grep. The critical rule: the index is updated only after a successful file write. The source code contains 44 feature flags, most of which are disabled. These are unreleased features, still in development. The most discussed is proactive mode, where Claude Code works autonomously without waiting for user prompts. Then there is Undercover Mode, designed for making contributions to public open source repositories without attribution. And multi-agent orchestration, where Claude Code delegates subtasks to child agents. These flags represent Anthropic's product roadmap, written directly in code. Perhaps the most valuable discovery for competitors: internal benchmark data. The code reveals how Anthropic measures Claude Code's performance, including specific weaknesses the team is still working to solve. Over-commenting in generated code. False claims about code behavior. These are shared challenges across all coding tools. But now the specific metrics and thresholds are public. The leak has real security consequences. The exact orchestration logic for hooks, messy servers, and trust prompts is now public. An attacker can study the permission flow and design a malicious repository specifically crafted to trick Claude Code into running background commands before the user sees a trust prompt. The permission system must be robust enough to withstand informed adversaries. 5 engineering lessons from this incident. First, check your build pipeline. Second, source maps are for debugging, not production. Third, acquired tools inherit bugs. Fourth, feature flags in production code are your roadmap. Fifth, design for transparency. The leak will not sink Anthropic, but it gave every competitor a free engineering education on how to build a production-grade coding agent.